Welcome back to Caring Guy. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the iFlight Nazgul DC5 ECO O4 6S HD drone, a 5-inch freestyle FPV quadcopter that delivers serious performance without breaking the bank. Right out of the box, the Nazgul DC5 ECO makes a strong impression with its deadcat frame design, keeping propellers completely out of view for clean, cinematic footage. Built from high-strength carbon fiber with an aluminum camera mount, this drone balances durability and lightweight performance, making it perfect for aggressive freestyle and smooth cinematic flying. At the heart of this drone is the DJI O4 Air Unit Pro, offering ultra-stable digital transmission with up to 1080p at 100 frames per second, ultra-low latency, and a massive 155-degree ultra-wide field of view. Whether you're flying fast, low, or in challenging light conditions, the large 1.3-inch sensor captures crisp detail and vibrant color, even at high speeds. Powering the Nazgul DC5 ECO is the BLITZ ATF435 flight controller, paired with the BLITZ E55S 4-in-1 ESC, delivering precise control, fast response, and consistent power delivery. The XING-E Pro 2207 motors provide smooth throttle control with explosive punch when you need it, perfect for freestyle tricks, dives, and cinematic chase shots. Safety and longevity haven't been overlooked either. The built-in anti-spark filter protects your electronics and XT60 connector from damaging current spikes, while the dual antenna setup improves signal reliability. A built-in buzzer and receiver mount makes setup and maintenance quick and stress-free. With support for RockSteady 3.0 Plus stabilization, D-Log-M color mode, optional GPS compatibility, and a GoPro mounting option, the Nazgul DC5 ECO O4 6S HD proves that high performance and great value can fly together. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Caring Guy for more honest drone reviews and tech insights.